the boy, not let now. What you got, what is spoil? Now money go set up. One more money in me. Motilo will be a balaba. Alone.
Hello? Hello? Young girl? Hello? Hello? Oh, no. Let me call Don. I don't know what's going on. Hello, Mr. Don? Yeah. It's me. Austin, yeah? What's delaying you, Don? Why playing with me, yeah? You know how much I told you to take down my car to car wash. I was delaying you now. That car, I don't joke with it. This is RS 350 now. Latest model. Don't. What are you doing? I tell you to take that car to car wash. Look at this place is not conducive for me. I'm working on Dusty area. I don't like it. You know me now. Don't. Why delay? Why you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me, Don? Yeah. Okay, you're welcoming. Please be faster about it. Okay. No problem. Patient use, yeah. I'll have patience, okay? Okay. Have a nice day. I'm waiting your place. I'm waiting for you, please. Have to be fast about that. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning. I was trying.
No, I'm doing something in my phone. Family problem.
No problem. I wanted to. I was talking. Hello, and all this. I said, what kind of this is it? Okay, please, what's your name?
My name is Lucy.
That's very wonderful. It's a wonderful name. One of my sisters used to answer that name. You say Lucy, right?
Yes, sir.
Lucy, you look like an angel. Okay. Are you from this vicinity?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. You know, I'm just meeting for the first time. And, I said, this kind of a girl decided to be my friend, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I would like to. This place is not okay for us. I would like to take you to.
No problem. I'll go with you. Actually, I'm going your way.
Really?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
No problem. Then you can. Let's go. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I hope you're enjoying the drink, right?
Yeah.
Wonderful. That's very nice.
Babe, you know, tomorrow is Valentine. So you know, I know you give me a packaging.
Wow, I'm capable of everything. You know, my friends
Really?
used to call me Akuna Takasi. You know what I mean?
Yeah, sir.
That's very nice. I'm capable of doing anything.
Okay, sir.
And what would you like? What kind of gift would you like to buy for you?
I want iPhone
11 Pro Max, yeah?
No, I don't want that one. Just any phone.
Any phone?
Yeah.
You don't have problem.
Sir, I need something from you, you know.
And what is that?
I need a car, you know. I can't walk on the train, and my friends also. They have cars, but me, I didn't have car, and I need car, sir.
That one is not problem.
Really?
I say my friends call me Akuna Takas.
Okay, sir. So you mean you buy the car for me, right?
Oh, consider it done.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I love you so much.
You're welcome. I forgot something. Oh my gosh.
What is that, sir? Are you okay?
I'm okay, but my pastor told me to come and do something for him. And this is exactly the time. This is 12 o'clock. I need to go there.
But you come back later, right?
Wow, I'll come back later. Let me just. I need to go there now.
Okay, sir.
I don't want to disappoint him. He's a very nice person.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Excuse me, sir.
What is that?
Can I have your number? I don't see your number.
Number kill you there. I don't know.
What?
Oh, come and pay for it.
Sir, please come and pay for the drink.
Thank you for watching that funny Rapture comedy TV show. And please like, comment, subscribe on our YouTube channel, which is Rapture Comedy TV. We love you all.